like not do that again.
Gage, sometimes there are times when you just shouldn't say something. And that was one of them. It's okay. I don't expect you to love it, even though I love it.
You actually love it.
Let's look out here. I understand it probably better than you do, but
You would self deny
Sacrifice.
sacrifice.
okay.
Oh, I get it. I got it.
Okay.
I always forgot that one, but self-denying this time. I
Oh.
always put self-dash, and I'm like,
Self-dash.
You're gonna self-dash it? Okay. All right, let's do this. So I've given you this. It probably looks way more complicated than what you want it to.
Yeah.
But you should remember that this here is not new.
Alright.
We've seen that before. That's not anything to be too worried about.
One,
Okay.
nine,
Hey, guess what?
What?
There's now a second way to get over the bridge.
Wow.
Coefficients, terminals.
It's still coefficients, but there's another way to do it. Okay? If you're at STP, I can go from volume of one gas to volume of another gas with a one-step problem. Pretty cool. We're gonna do that today. Okay? Now, place 1 and place 10 would be if you were given non-STP conditions, you could use like a combined gas law to solve for STP volume and then make your way to where you need to go. Okay? Does that make sense? If you didn't have it at STP, you could get it to STP changing it using like a combined gas law or something like that. Okay? So let's do our first problemo. Two moles of calcium react with water to form calcium hydroxide hydrogen gas. What volume of hydrogen gas will be produced? What is the first thing we should do?
Is it
What is the
ours?
volume of gas at SPP?
What?
Just kidding.
Start with
moles
what
of
you
calcium.
have been given.
That is such a sleek marker.
and then you're gonna do moles of mole.
Okay? Where are we going?
To mole.
Volume
Volume
of gas.
of a hydrogen gas. So are we in the same substance?
No.
No, so we're a different substance.
So you need to go to
But we are at
Standard temperature P. I don't know what P stands for.
you dumb?
pressure.
Standard temperature and pressure.
Haha. That shouldn't be SAP. Standard temperature and
Well,
pressure.
Like when you like do acronyms.
Yeah.
When you do acronyms, you don't like put like the little like
And,
conjunction
or.
words in there.
I guess.
Yes.
Is that right?
You know
Yes.
yes.
Wow.
Did I use that right?
Yes, you did. Sort of. Yes.
Yes.
It's just, I just thought, I thought P stood for something else because it was like standard temperature pressure. I was like, what? Because I thought the P stood for pressure, but I didn't know.
Like, what's the university? Like, university.
So-
Yeah. So let's do this. Let's find out on our little cheat sheet where we are. Hey, focus. Come on. Where are we?
We are at, we're at moles.
Moles at the beach.
What number? What number?
4.
Number
4
4.
to 7 to 9.
Hey man, what he said.
Yep. We are gonna go from 4 to 7 to 9.
So we're going to use the ratio here. Then we're going to go
How many steps is it?
2.
2.
2 1, so it's gonna be 2 moles of
What color is your tie?
Purple. 2 moles of hydrogen.
Are you colorblind?
No, I was just like, I thought it was blue for a second because his pants
Actually,
are blue.
lavender.
But then,
Looks good, doesn't it?
It's lavender.
It does.
44.8 liters. Yeah. It's times 2.
Okay, let's
It
work
is.
through this. Okay, our first step, we are going from 4 to 7. That's a mole to mole step. We should be good with mole to moles, right? Where do we get that? Where do we get our mole to moles?
coefficient.
From the coefficient bridge. This is where we cross over and get to our new substance. Okay, just a quick little refresher for us because it's been a little bit of a, like all of 1 week since we've probably done this.
So
It's
just
no longer
erase,
than
just
three.
erase that completely because that's
Is it 1 to 1?
Yep.
No, don't do that, because if you don't show your work on a test, that would be bad.
Okay.
Alright.
You know what, Natalie?
Moles of H2 is where we are
Nice February.
going to need to cancel out next. And we're going to volume. And since we are in a situation where we're trying to find STP volume,
22.
we can use STP volume or molar volume.
You really can't just follow units.
I told you.
Because
The units tell you everything. Absolutely.
that's true. You just gotta know.
It's the breadcrumbs of the.
That's what I do when I get lost.
That's what I do every time.
I hop on the unit trail.
Yep.
It's
Absolutely.
a long way to home.
The unit trail.
What'd you get?
Okay.
I know Gage got something.
44 point, what he said.
Oh, Lord.
It's just
Okay. So we could, in theory, predict exactly how much gas we're going to produce, knowing that we're reacting this much moles of a particular reactant. Okay? Now, we've talked about how actual and theoretical aren't necessarily always the case. They're not always the same, right? But in theory, this is what we should get. Let's do this one.
Oh. We'll switch it up.
Oh no, going boring.
Oh man, we gotta go back to that.
Wait,
molar mass
wait.
stuff.
Hold on.
Can you just do
No.
That's like a backhanded compliment.
Where are we starting?
You're gonna go grab the equation.
5?
Oh, we don't have an equation?
0.5
O2 plus
Oh, that's not hard. We're producing water?
2 O2.
Nope.
Ah, shoot.
O2.
1 O2 plus 2 H2 equals 2 H2O. How many grams?
Okay, that's not an overly not familiar equation. We've done that quite a bit, right?
Yes.
Okay, where are we starting, everyone?
With 5 liters
Okay, it's important. What, 5 liters of what? 0.5 of what?
of oxygen gas.
You're gonna have to put that to moles real quick.
Okay, hold on. Let's try to figure out where we're going. Grams of.
Grams of water.
Okay, so different substance. So we got a given, we got a desired. So on our little sheet here, we are starting where?
With the
What number?
Two.
Yes.
Starting at number 2 on our sheet. Everybody see it?
2,
Oh,
4,
we're gonna go
7,
Revenue with us?
2, 4, 7, 8, or 2, 9.
Okay.
Far.
And then we're trying to get 2 grams of water. That's 8. Okay. Let me see here.
Do you want to go to 4, 7, 8, or 9?
You can go 2978 or 2478.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. You could. Let's go with the way that we're probably most familiar with.
2, 4, 7,
How many steps?
8. 3.
3.
It's gonna be about 6 point something. I guess.
Marty. Okay, let the units tell you what to do. We're at STP and we got volume, so we can just, pop a little L down here. That's an L. Okay. All right.
I get it.
So what?
I get it.
Am I going too fast? Are you guys following?
No, you are
everyone?
Would it be like? Would it be?
22.4.
That's right.
And then 1 mole on the top.
At STP, that's the only way we can get from volume to moles. Or it's not the only way, it's the easiest way.
22.4.
Okay? Let the units tell you what to do. That's gone. That's gone, which means this has to be what?
O2 moles.
Okay, and since we're trying to get to H2O, this is where we're going to cross the bridge.
1, 2.
It's 2 over 1.
So your moles of your water, agua, will go there. 2 over 1.
What's 25 divided by 11?
And follow the unit trail.
18.
Moles of H2O. 18.02 grams of aqua.
0.8.
Oops.
You were a little off.
I was a lot. I did. Oh, I know. Oh, shoot. Okay. Here we go.
It's 0.8.
What did you say, 8?
Or 0.0.
No, I said
0.80.
I divided something else by something else, or I switched it to.
Yeah, everybody get that. I'm going too fast, please stop me if there's a step or something that you weren't processing, you couldn't follow along, you didn't understand where that came from. I need you to do that.
You're close, Marty.
Be closer.
Hey.
I want you guys to do this one.
Just 5.2.
Don't yell at the answer gauge, please.
Actually, I don't know. Yeah, I've never
Yes, not even. Well, how do we do it if it's not?
We're actually very close.
Seriously?
Well, yeah,
How would you rank the guys though?
I know. I want you guys to solve this.
How do we do it if it's not an SDP?
Oh!
Constant pressure and temperature.
Woo! Yeah, so, yeah, when it says constant temperature and pressure, assume that's DC, that's fine, that's a fine.
I keep forgetting.
On a test, I'll make sure I specifically say STP.
Oh, what am I trying to find? Oh, shoot.
I'm a little hungry.
I had my snack.
Mommy that gives me snacks anymore.
I had that on first. Wow. Cool.
I don't have money for snacks.
Wait, is this as simple as I think it is?
I'm not saying it
might be.
Oh, wait a second.
Because you can just go.
Da 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 da.
That was close. I think.
I mean, kind of, but like
Yeah.
not close in number, but close in
Wait, what's the
close in numbers, but not close in value.
What's the combined gas law? Like going from 9 to 10?
Yeah, don't look at the combined gas.
What?
The combined gas law is your V1 and V1 over T1.
Wait,
So
so how
like,
do you find 10?
why are you going from 9 to 10?
I think I'm finally
What
getting my brain back.
volume of ox?
You're not going from 9 to 10.
Oh,
Lost
okay.
it for a week.
What?
I think I'm finally getting my brain back. I lost it.
I like that. I like to have.
Well, mine is
brain
still
back.
lost, so.
I lost it for like a week and now.
Yeah. You were like half asleep. You stopped doing video games.
No, I was still up till, I mean, the bus didn't get back to the school till 10:30. And I had to drive home and take a shower. It's like 11:30 when I went to bed.
So you're not a shower in the morning guy, or what? Oh, after a game.
Yeah.
Definitely. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, you sleep and you're all sweaty. It's
Yeah.
ah.
It's like you stick to everything.
Then you have to get into bed the next night and you're like, woo!
Wait.
How we doing, guys?
I made that mistake once.
Oh, you got it.
Never again.
What did you get? What number?
Yes, Quinn, that's what I got.
Sometimes
Oh,
you
he
just want
was
to go
close.
get in bed
But
right
there's
after
no one
you
here.
work
Why are you
out,
so far
just
back?
to feel how
I don't
awful you
know.
feel, so that when you take a shower, you feel infinitely better.
Gage was close, but
You know what I mean? It's
Yeah.
like, yeah.
I was close to number, but not close to quantity.
yes. Because he gets 2.
You guys get 20?
Yes.
Yeah.
How many steps?
Oh,
did you
now
do?
I see.
4.
1.
You guys can just do it in one
Okay,
step.
Did you go mole beers? Because I didn't know. There's a second bridge. What is the second bridge? The coefficients. It's like
No.
Oh,
Gosh,
cute. So it's still just B5. Yeah. Well, okay. Yes. Got it.
You don't have to do that, but like, it's not that hard.
Where are we going to?
Wait. So the leader
Oh,
train
true.
is like the mole train.
Yeah.
Gosh, I'm smart.
What are we doing here? I'm going crazy.
5. Funny.
Why is it a train and not a bridge?
Well, the mole train is a train. Trains can go
over.
The volume.
There is a bridge and a train.
Okay.
It's a volume.
Can't get across the bridge without the train.
Volume bridge,
Can't
mole
get
train.
across
What if I
the
walk
space without the
across?
bridge.
What if I walk across the bridge? Then it's a sidewalk.
That's
Nah.
why.
It's the mole walk, right?
Okay. Everybody understand why you can do this in one step?
The mole walk.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Yep.
Because if you start with volume and you end with volume in STP, you have 22.5 that you multiply in one section. 20.5. Wow.
What is going on?
He got his brain back. He stole mine.
Good.
So 22.4 would be multiplied on one side, and then it's divided out by 22.4 on the other side. So it pretty much is not important.
I got it. I don't want to talk about it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this is only when you're at what?
That's
Staff.
Staff.
Last one, and then you probably can get some homework even done today.
Wow.
How about that?
What is going on?
Well, we were supposed to take a quiz today.
Oh yeah, we were all really confused by that because we saw it on our notes and then we were like, wait, but you didn't say anything, so we weren't
And I told my 7th period class, and then I was like, oh, I didn't tell my 3rd period class. So I'm like,
They said you didn't tell them, so
that's not true.
I didn't tell them what.
I told 7th period.
Why didn't Corinne let me be a fool?
I told them that they had a quiz in
What?
7th period.
What?
I told 7th period that they had a quiz today.
Oh.
I just forgot to tell you, and that's why I decided not to give the quiz to either, because I forgot to tell you. And then what I'd have is an uproar of students saying, well, look at
Send me
somebody
out
else told us.
over each
Yeah.
Neville.
So no practice tonight, but we're taking a road trip to, I don't know where it is, 2 hours away.
To watch somebody? Or?
Wait, who is it? Because they were talking about
St. Albert's.
St. Mary's.
Oh, good night.
So it's a no practice tonight road trip. Council Bluffs.
Why
Leaving at 4:30.
That's disgusting.
So I'll be getting home at 11.
So what do you take, a big old bus or what?
George has like his like,
Stubbs van.
yeah, van.
So I'm just gonna get everybody in there though.
So other people drive. Like I went with Bruce last time.
Wait.
That's a
You
lot
makes
of gas.
guys drive 4
I don't know
hours.
what we'll do. Like last time it's been like an hour.
That's a lot of gas.
Alright, I want you guys to do this last problem here.
What is Mole
Oh boy.
6.022 times 10 to the 20.
I think Trinity.
Nope, that's not more math.
Lost.
More mass is on your
Yeah,
boyfriend.
she definitely lost her brain.
Yeah.
Are you
I
okay?
swear I did. I don't know.
Have you seen your boyfriend recently?
Yes.
He's staring at you in the face right now.
I'm looking at him right now. I'm literally not
That's-
even. 55
You
point.
can control that. You can control that.
I know, I just don't really want to do
So, just for your honesty. Glad you're not a liar and somebody who doesn't like chemistry.
I liked chemistry more first semester, at least right now.
Why is that? 'Cause
I
of the
still
math or
like
what?
it, it's just, it was a lot easier first
Oh,
I like
semester.
it.
That's why you liked it.
I also like concepts more than math.
Yes, me too.
The problem is there's a lot of conceptual stuff in this if you really think about it, but I think we're so trained by just school that when you do math, there's no conceptual stuff behind it,
Yeah, you're right.
when it's not the case.
Well, I can't comprehend the conceptual stuff, but I can do the math.
That's that's the same with me. I can do the math, not the concepts, but I like learning about the concepts more than doing the
I
math.
don't know.
Reader.
I don't know if I got this right.
I don't know.
Is
I
that
Except
did
your
it
phone?
on this calculator. It was a little bit.
That'll do.
I got about how old Becca is.
Is this good? Is this a good answer?
What's
No, I
that?
explained it.
Is this a good answer?
Yes, how old Becca was. So yes, how old Becca was. So I told you. Why not? You did.
I know Rebecca was too. He's talking about his wife. I didn't know.
Ms. Kramer, is this a good answer?
That's what I got.
That'll do, I suppose.
That'll do, Gonke.
Good night.
Marty.
Something wrong.
Martins.
How do you pronounce the girl's name
I
on the
am
square
on
you got
squares.
yesterday?
Hey, first step looks good.
Her name was like, in English, it was like Margena.
Margena.
Yeah,
Margena.
I said marijuana
Yep.
every time, instead of the rest of it.
And you're
Nice.
not solving for math. Yeah, got into that 3-step
Love it.
mass train there.
I love it.
Wrong train.
I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Okay, I'm just gonna do this on the board for the camera. Nice and pretty like. Let me see if I can make the
That's right.
nicest, prettiest.
Oh, it's just
Okay.
It's about as old as
It's
the
15.7.
It's 6.
What? Emotional?
It's 15.6.
Start singing 18 by Colleen.
But round.
To
It's
15.6. What do you round to, Kramer?
Oh, okay.
So.
So-
Kramer.
So for iron, I rounded 15.8. So we're back.
Don't flatter me that much.
No, don't flatter him, man.
Oh.
I hear a desk moving.
Away from me.
Oh, what? Why?
Flatter me too much.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Okay.
55.8.
55.8. What?
5.
That's what I did. I did.
There it is. Look at how I'm trying to write slow
Yeah,
because
I
I'm trying
like
to
it.
make this look
Kramer writes
really
so
nice.
neat.
It is neat.
The only problem that I noticed was in the second parentheses, the line is actually touching the parentheses.
3 moles. Here.
Oh, it's that and his parentheses always go down and they get bigger. Over 4 moles of
What did you say, Natalie?
When you do the conversion thing, you always make them bigger and then they always get lower too.
Just remember, in the
Every
second
time.
line, the line is touching the
Like-
right parenthesis.
Like you just gotta go across like that.
Oh, you were.
No!
That was good, that was good.
Yes. You didn't fix it.
Hey.
22.4 liters O2 over 1
There's that problem in the homework.
Hey guys, that was such a nice clap.
What did you say?
That's a clap. That's a high five.
Just doing hands hitting each other, so. So it's just high fiving.
What was the answer?
Yeah.
15.6?
So,
Yes.
Starts
Like,
with the program.
So it's still high five. Homeschool high five.
There it is. Wow. Isn't that just
with each other?
awesomely awesome?
this is high five.
This is clapping.
Is it?
Yeah.
We
Like,
can't.
oh.
That's my fingers like.
Homework is on.
Homework is on the board. And
So
I
are
put a
these,
little-
jumpers?
Ow, my
Oh,
hand.
so close.
Wait, I should have a question,
Yeah.
a legitimate question.
Okay.
How do you do?
I'm getting that. Wait, we have one more?
This one, but if you
What is it?
red.
Of course. Of course. Of course.
How do you know what?
The more massive
These
that
go.
is.
I think our house is actually become a
Oh, I
house.
need it.
I think our house is actually gonna become a house.
Yeah.
He knows how to estimate.
What is that?
What is this?
I didn't ask you to sing, did I?
No, what is this? What is this?